This is organic inulin. It's a superfood, prebiotic, soluble fiber. I love this stuff. I've been taking it now for a few days. It's very, very fine powder. Let me see if I can show you. And it has, oof, you can kind of see it open. You can see how fine it is in there. If you taste it, it's very light in flavor and kind of has a little bit of a sweetness to it, but very, very mild. And so you can mix it in with lots of different things. Personally, I put it in my protein shake every morning, but I've used it in my daughter's yogurt. And I would suggest, however, this serving size is quite large to begin, especially if you haven't taken fiber. So I just did a teaspoon, even a half a teaspoon. Actually, I started at, this says tablespoon, I started at a half teaspoon, and I'm slowly working my way up. Lots of really great health benefits in this package and great product. I love it. You're going to love it too.